I'm back. Josh with Northwest Roof Maintenance. We're here in Richfield, Washington. We're going to be replacing some one-way vents with metal vents. They're currently plastic, which plastic ones have the tendency to crack under long sun exposure, and these will last much longer. So let's get started. I'm going to be replacing the ones I took out. This one has a tear in it. And then they also had a tear and it looked like it was fixed with some adhesive. So I'll be using that as a template and be cutting out a new one. Alright, now I'm about to install the metal vent using this magic little tool. It creates these little ripples in it, which reduces the diameter so it can fit inside that hole. Right now we are applying a bead of sealant around the vent to prevent any moisture intrusion once it is installed. As you can see, I'm nailing here, but not here. I'm doing that because I am too close to the valley and I do not want to make any holes this close to the valley. So instead I will be filling this with sealant and then pushing it down firmly to prevent any further moisture intrusion. You probably saw me use this to nail the bottom part of the vent. This is called a roof stick. This allows you to get underneath the shingle without moving it past its limits, which sometimes they could be so brittle that they could break if you even lift it up this much. This one is good. So the way it works is you put it under here, gives you enough clearance, and then you hammer, excuse the noise. Just a little bit, you pull it out underneath the slot, and it is now hammered flush. I'll do that for the rest of this, and then I'll apply the sealant. Alright, all the nails are in, and now I'm going to do what is called the flip test. The flip test is when you take a shingle, and if you can flip it up, that means it needs to be sealed down. So I will do that now. Let's do it. All right, now for the flip tip to stick in. I've added sealant, and now these are not flipping up. That means we're all good to go. All right, we're all done. Hopefully that wasn't too exciting for you all, but I'm sure I'll see you again with more exciting roof adventures from Northwest Roof Maintenance. If you are in need of any roof maintenance, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Tell them Josh sent you.